Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix copy and paste not working problem on iPhone. Copy and paste is a basic yet essential feature on iPhone that helps you quickly move text, links, images, and other content between apps. When this function stops working, it can slow down everyday tasks like messaging, browsing, or note taking. This issue can be caused by multiple factors such as temporary system glitches, app-related bugs, restricted permissions, or even outdated iOS software. Thankfully, there are some quick fixes that can let you fix copy and paste issues on your iPhone and bring the clipboard back on track with ease. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to restart your iPhone. A temporary system glitch is one of the most common reasons why copy and paste stops working on iPhone. Therefore, I would recommend you to restart your device because it has the knack of wiping out temporary system glitches. To restart your iPhone, just press and hold the side button and add a volume button until the power slider appears. Then you have to drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Now make sure to wait for a few seconds and then you have to press and hold the side button again until the Apple logo appears. After the restart, try copying and pasting text to see if the issue is fixed. Then I will recommend you to check the app permissions and switch apps on your iPhone. Sometimes copy and paste may fail only in a specific app, so close the affected app completely by swiping up from the app switcher and then you have to reopen it. Also try copying content from one app and pasting it into a different app to confirm whether the issue is app specific. If the problem occurs in only one app, updating or reinstalling that app from the App Store may help you resolve the problem. Then I will recommend you to reset keyboard dictionary and clipboard behavior on your iPhone. Note that keyboard related issues can interfere with copy and paste gestures as well. So head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose general. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose transfer or reset iPhone. After that, select reset. And then you have to choose reset keyboard dictionary and confirm it prompted. Fret not, it won't delete your personal data, but it will reset learned words and may fix keyboard related input problems. After resetting, test the copy and paste function again. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing the clipboard from functioning properly on your iPhone. So head over to the settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose general. And then you have to choose the software update option. After that, you have to follow the usual process to download and install the latest iteration of iOS on your iPhone. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix clipboard issues on your iPhone. Hopefully, you have managed to get a better at the problem and now this handy feature has started to work as usual. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks and I'll catch you up in the next one.